Hey, Scott James here from Websites for Rockstars. If you have a WordPress site, you should know it's really important to back up your database. And if you didn't know that, now you know. The reason why is because it stores all of the content for your site. Your posts, your pages, your comments, settings, all that really important stuff. And if you lose it, your site is gone. And you would have maybe a couple options through your hosting company. I had someone I know recently who had a WordPress site on a hosting account that expired, and there was no database backup, so they had to pay $150 to the hosting company to do a restore. So you want to avoid that, and it's actually really easy to back it up. So I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can do it automatically into your email, real easy. So let's do it. So I'm going to go to Plugins and Add New. And I'm going to search WPDB backup, just like that. It's going to be the first one that comes up here. Okay, I'm going to hit install now. Okay, I'm just going to activate it. Alright, so to find it, I just go over here in my Tools menu and then click on Backup. Now it's going to show you a list of tables that you can include. It may or may not show you this depending on what's on your database. I know what these are. I know these are from old plugins I need to wipe out of the database. If you're not sure what these are, just go ahead and click on them just to be safe. There's three different options here. I can save it to my server, I can download it to my computer, or I can email myself a backup. It's important to back up your database anytime you update WordPress. If I was going to update WordPress, I would just go ahead and download it to my computer. But you know, the choice is yours. Another really cool thing about this plugin is that you can schedule automatic backups. So depending on how often you post or create new content, you might want to save it more or less often. I think once a day is going to be good for me. Again, I'm going to choose not to include any of these because I know what they are and I know that I don't need them. If you're not sure, just go ahead and choose them. And I'm going to go ahead and schedule backup. And there you go. So it's going to send me a backup every day to my email. Actually restoring the site if the database gets corrupted or if you have a problem is another video for another time. But it is pretty cheap and easy, so if anything ever happens, you can just contact me at scott@websitesforrockstars.com and I'll make sure I take care of you. Thanks.